Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade kombucha tea. Start by brewing strong sweet tea, cool it completely, then transfer to a clean, wide-mouth jar. Gently add the SCOBY with starter liquid, cover with a breathable cloth, and keep at stable room temperature away from direct sunlight. Check flavor starting on day 7 and bottle when acidity and sweetness balance to your liking. Keep conditions steady and clean to avoid mold and off flavors, and use non-chlorinated water for better SCOBY health. Avoid metal that reacts with the culture, and aim for a steady 68 to 78 degrees F fermentation range for predictable results. Take notes on timing and taste so you can repeat winning batches, and when doing a second ferment, add fruit or juice in bottles and monitor carb. Use clear signs to judge readiness like a tangy vinegar aroma, mild fizziness, and a pH near 2.5 to 3.5 to guide bottling decisions. Bottle in airtight glass bottles for safe second fermentation, then refrigerate to slow activity and preserve flavor. Save a portion of kombucha as starter liquid for the next batch and store your SCOBY in a SCOBY hotel between brews, always labeling bottles with dates and flavor notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.